Hello, financial enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the exhilarating world of stock investing. This is the arena where fortunes can be made, and let's be honest, sometimes lost. It's the exciting game of buying ownership in a company, watching its growth, and reaping the rewards as the company thrives. Investing in stocks can be a powerful tool to build wealth. It gives you a piece of the corporate pie, and as the company grows, so does your investment. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows, there are risks involved. Market volatility can be a roller coaster ride, and without the right knowledge it can be a daunting task. That's where research comes into play. Understanding the company, its financial health and market trends is paramount before investing. It's like mapping out your journey before setting sail. So, if you're ready to navigate the stock market's tumultuous waves, tap that like button, subscribe, and let's embark on this financial journey together. First off, understanding the stock market is key. It's like learning to ride a bicycle before entering the Tour de France. The stock market is a complex yet fascinating world. It's a marketplace where buyers and sellers trade stocks, which are essentially shares of ownership in a company. Here's how it works. Companies list their stocks on exchanges, and investors buy those stocks. The price of each stock is determined by supply and demand. If a lot of people want to buy a stock, high demand, and there aren't many sellers, low supply, the price goes up. Conversely, if there are more sellers than buyers, the price drops. Understanding this dynamic is crucial because it influences every decision you make as an investor. It's like a pulse you constantly check to know the health of your investments. Now that we've broken down the basics, let's move on to how you can research individual stocks. Now onto the meat of the matter, researching individual stocks. It's not as daunting as it sounds, I promise. So you've decided to take the plunge into the stock market, and you're looking at investing in individual stocks. Where do you start? Well, the first step is doing your homework on the company you're considering. You need to understand the company's financial health, its management, and its place in the industry it operates in. Let's start with the company's financial health. This is where the company's balance sheet comes into play. Here you'll find information on the company's assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity. You're going to want to look at how much debt the company has compared to its assets, and how much equity the shareholders actually own. Next, you're going to want to look at the company's income statement. This will give you an idea of how much money the company is bringing in and how much it's spending. You'll want to pay attention to the company's net income, as this is a good indication of its profitability. And don't forget about the cash flow statement. This shows you how much cash the company is generating and where it's going. You'll want to see a positive cash flow, as this indicates the company has money to invest in growth, pay dividends, or reduce debt. Now let's talk about management. You're going to want to do some digging into who's running the company. Look at their track record, their experience, and their vision for the company. Remember, these are the people who are steering the ship, so you want to make sure they know what they're doing. Finally, you need to understand the company's competitive position. Look at its market share, its products or services, and its competitive advantages. You want to invest in a company that's a leader in its industry, or at least has a strong position. Remember, reading and understanding financial statements is crucial. These documents can tell you a lot about a company's financial health and future prospects. They're not the most thrilling reads, I'll admit, but they're absolutely worth your time. Financial statements are your friends, folks. They might not be the most exciting read, but they're definitely worth your time. Alright, we've covered the basics of company analysis. Now let's step into the world of market analysis. It's like stepping into a bustling city where every street corner, every shop, every passerby holds a piece of the puzzle that forms the bigger picture. In this city, the company we've just analyzed is like a single store. But no store operates in isolation. It's part of a whole network, a whole industry. And this industry, it's influenced by trends, changes, and developments. Just as fashion trends dictate what clothes a store sells, industry trends can drastically affect a company's performance. So, let's say you're eyeing a tech company. How's the tech industry doing overall? Are there new innovations shaking things up? Maybe there's a shift towards greener technologies that could impact your chosen company's operations. It's crucial to keep your finger on the pulse of these industry trends. But wait, there's more. The market environment isn't just about the industry, it's also about the economy. Economic factors like inflation rates, unemployment rates, and government policies can sway the market like a puppeteer pulling strings. A strong economy could mean more disposable income for consumers, which in turn could boost a company's sales. On the flip side, an economic downturn could tighten consumer spending and put a dent in the company's performance. And how do you keep up with all these changes? News, my friend. News is your compass in this bustling city. It keeps you informed about industry developments, economic updates, and even company-specific news. It's like having a bird's-eye view of the city, helping you navigate the complexities of the market environment. So you see, understanding the market environment in which a company operates is as important as understanding the company itself. It's like two sides of the same coin. You can't have one without the other. Remember, the stock market is a living, breathing entity. Stay informed, stay ahead. So, we've covered the basics of investing in stocks and how to research individual stocks. It's a lot to take in, but don't fret. Let's do a quick recap. First, we delved into the fundamentals of the stock market, dissecting its intricate dynamics. Then, we explored how to research individual stocks, emphasizing the need for due diligence before diving into investments. We highlighted the importance of staying informed about market trends, economic news, and company performance. Investing in stocks isn't just about buying low and selling high. It's a continuous learning process that demands patience, resilience, and a keen eye for detail. But don't be daunted. The journey can be as rewarding as the destination. Investing in stocks can be a thrilling adventure. It takes time and patience, but the rewards can be substantial. So go forth, start your research, and make your mark in the stock market. And remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Until next time, goodbye and happy investing.